Hello students, hope you are preparing well for your exams. Today we are here to give you few tips for your social paper that will boost your preparations.
Write the question answers point-wise and do write introduction as well as conclusion for it.
Avoid scribbling while writing the paper.
Attempt all the objective questions very carefully and no need to write the question for the same, and do not forget to mention the question number very carefully for the same.
Underline all the important points while writing the question and answers, and do elaborate your content.
Do not use pen for the map and do not mention your name on the map.
Prepare for your exam according to the marking scheme.
Draw a box for the pointers of 4-marker answers and present your answers very neatly.
Do prefer textbook while reading.
Manage your time to attempt all the questions in time.
Every new section should be necessarily started from a new page.
You have worked hard and we know you will give your best.
You are the best.
You will do your best.
You will get the best.
All the best.